Cass here today with all things health and well-being. Thank you for being here with me today, my beautiful community. Gauteng today, Johannesburg. It's a pretty overcast, rainy, chill day. So if you see me yawning, then you know why. Just kidding. Happy Moon Day, everybody. And wishing you a beautifully happy and wonderfully blessed day today. May we find beautiful love and abundance in all wonderful ways. And let's get straight into the beautiful content for today. Thank you very much to my beautiful subscribers. The other day I shared top 5 altcoins with you that could end up making you a millionaire. And why is that? Well, the top 5 coins within the top 20 have a potential, if you invest say $1,000 in each of them, when they hit the specific price targets that I discussed within the video. Go check it out now on the link right above here, and you will see that I showed you what the potential of those are just by hitting all-time highs, and potentially some of them to the speculated highs that we have been spoken about. So you could basically convert $5,000 into $1,695,000. $1,695,000 is what I was saying. So yeah, pretty decent, right? And that's when the bull market resumes. So yeah, anyways, so let's get straight to it today. And thank you very much. Please remember to like the video if you enjoy my content. Smash that notification bell so that you know when I'm doing more videos just like this. And of course, please go and like all my other social media pages. I'm actually writing up a schedule to continue to post more consistently across all my platforms and get things moving a lot better there. So thank you very much. All my subscribers really appreciate it. To those who haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Alrighty. Let's go and see today the crypto. In fact, before we do that, guys, I smashed another peanut butter cacao protein shake this morning. 25 grams of protein. I like to put in a little bit extra, so I'm probably getting about 35 grams of protein per serving. Yes, it's sugar-free, helps with weight management, gut health, anti-aging, and it's of course 100% pure plant-based superfoods. So for those who don't know, I am a functional nutrition superfood specialist. Okay, and this is a very, very powerful system here that you can come and get your lives better, on track, and more healthy. You can build more muscle, lean quality muscle, weight. We can help you with weight loss, detox plans, immune boosting, anti-aging, gut health. And how do we do that? We do that with our meal plans. We've got a classic meal plan, vegetarian meal plan, and a plant-based meal plan. They're 21 days each. And basically what you'll do is you'll basically help yourself by repeating those meals, adding and changing. I mean, look at this. This is a delicious beetroot, hummus, cucumber, pepper, carrot, sprouts sandwich on rye. I mean, you couldn't expect to get something as delicious and healthy as this. And still tastes good and fills you up. And it's raw. It's well nourishing. Woo-wee! Well nourishing, so I'm very, very excited about that. But and no, I'm not yawning because of that. I'm yawning because of the overcastness. There's a chemical in the clouds that makes people sleepy. That's why when you see it's raining and that, you feel a lot more chilled and toned out. So yeah, get ready to tone and glow in your body, hemp seed your body. Oh man, I love this. I made a hemp milk this morning to throw into my smoothie. It was so delicious. Belly burn, smashing through the roof. Sea buckthorn powder, afternoon kicks. 198 vitamins and minerals, 68 antioxidants, vitamin C, very high vitamin C, and of course vitamin B12. So very, very powerful supplements. Our delicious protein shakes, super berries. This is forever young, gut healing, lean recovery, and probiotic blend. So yeah, absolutely beautiful here, guys. So you can shop them in bundles, as you all know, and you can get discounts on that instead of ordering single unit products. And then of course, if you don't know and you're unsure, come over and just get yourself 1 or 2 of the basic ingredients here. Throw yourself into an immediate 21-day smoothie challenge and give it a try. Give it a try. It's for free and it's easy, and it gets you to know what it is that we're doing in our website. Of course, we have rewards, we have cashback, we have benefits, so many benefits here on our website. So come on over, check it out in the link right down below. We've moved our offices now. We are now, very, very happy here. And you're welcome, if you are anywhere in Joburg, you're welcome to come visit the offices and pop in here and select your own product and set yourself up with a consultation with me. I'll tell you how to do that over the next couple of days. But yeah, we'll be hitting the ground hard with those consultations in the beginning of the year. So let's get straight into our beautiful crypto content now. And today, so that's all the health side of things for now. And what I'm going to start doing more related to health is I'm going to start doing videos on health based on health issues and dealing with those issues separately. So yeah, I'll continue to do more videos like that, as I say. So now that I've got a proper office, a studio, I will be doing a lot more content for you guys and sharing a lot more videos with you guys over the course of each week. So let's get into the market cap. We're down 1.9% today. Pretty much from around 892 billion down to 876 billion from the video that I did with you on Saturday. So 876 billion today, 36.2 trading volume, 37.2 trading volume, 37% on market cap dominance. That's interesting that that's the trading volume and the market cap dominance. 19,969. Bitcoin is currently down 1.4% and is down 16,929. I'm going to talk a little bit about Bitcoin today, and I'm going to very speak just about Bitcoin. So, well, not just about Bitcoin, but I want to show you why I'm looking at what I'm looking at and why I believe that there could be a little bit of a flush in the market right now of the bears. So let's just have a look. Ethereum is down 2.3% to 1246. That's amazing. BNB at 281, Ripple at 37 cents, Dogecoin at 8.7 cents, Cardano at 30 cents, Polygon at 88 cents, Polkadot at 517, Litecoin at 73.80, Shiba at 880. Wow, Shiba's falling out the tree there. Come on, Shiba community, what you doing there? $13 for Solana, $5.77 for Uniswap, $12.73 for Avalanche. My goodness, I'm gonna scrape me up some more Avalanche and more Chainlink, that's for sure. Chainlink is $6.59. Very beautiful here, guys. I love it, absolutely excited. And let's check out the Fear and Greed Index. The Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 27. Yesterday was at 26, so it's a little bit higher than yesterday, although I don't quite know if I 100% agree with this. This is based on a number of different factors, emotional and unemotional fundamentals and environmental. So yeah, quite exciting. And then if we go and look at the crypto bubbles today, guys, the crypto bubbles are sitting and coming in very red today. So what do I keep saying to you guys? Accumulate in the red. Accumulate in the red. You're buying them at a discount. The only coin that's up today is TON, which is this one, which is the TON coin. Look at that, $2. Okay, so very interesting. Axie down, Flow down, Quant down, Solana, Link, Litecoin, HBAR, Engine, Algo. I mean, look at all these things. They're all down. They're all down today. Look, Bitcoin's only down fractions. So, what is that? It's so small you can barely even see that little bubble. What's that? Tether Gold. Yep. So let's go and check on the market watch. As you guys already know, we've got Monday is the inflation expectations. Okay. And we'll see what it is that they're looking to do there. But Tuesday and Wednesday, so 13th and 14th, these are the days you want to be watching out for. These are the days that are going to make the markets move. The Fed are looking to raise their interest rates by 50 basis points. If they raise by 50 basis points, that's the expectation. We'll probably see a little consolidation, still a capitulation in Bitcoin price. If we see 25 basis points, then the likelihood of us pumping is going to be insane. But if we see a 75 basis point hike, then we'll see a huge dip in the markets, that's for sure. So very interesting to see what will go on. But yeah, 50 basis points should also make the market move a little bit more up, but not necessarily. And then of course Friday we're waiting for the manufacturing PMI and retail sales and jobless claims, so Thursday and Friday. So it's a very, very, very big week in the news. You need to keep your hats on. This is the week before Christmas. Christmas comes next week, Saturday, so very, very interesting. Okay, let's make sure that we are all prepared for what is to come. And by saying that, let us go and now have a look at the Bitcoin. In fact, let's have a look at the dollar chart because I want to spend some time on Bitcoin. So the dollar is making a higher low set of ranges on the stochastic, the RSI, and on the candles. We're still under the bar. We're still under a trend line here as well. So if we can get above this point, the 105.50 level again, then the dollar might want to come and push back up to this top level here, which is pretty much a lot of resistance over there at this level, which, like I said to you, is at the top of this ribbon right here. So let's just leave the dollar alone for now. Okay, I think people potentially knowing what the Fed are doing, I think people are just getting themselves out the dollar, or at least limiting their position, knowing that the Fed could be at a point where it's looking to create a pivot. So let's see. So just a very simple, guys. I mean, this chart is so easy. First top, second top, third top, fourth top. Okay, we've already crashed all the way down here on the stochastic. The RSI still has a little bit of move to the downside to go, and that's okay. We're prepared and ready for that. To be very honest, this is where the level of support is, but if it does come down to that level, then it would have broken this channel. So if it breaks this channel and it continues to break the ribbon and the channel, then the likelihood of us coming back down to the turquoise line is probably a little bit higher, which would bring us inside of the descending channel again, and then this would maybe give us a bounce. But to be honest with you guys, this is a perfect indicator because of the dollar as to what's going on. I would say here that it's a higher likelihood that we find support at this level here on the ribbon, on the red line, because we hit it here, and we could have a little bit of a spike down and then an immediate pull back up, something like that, or a spike down and a push back up. And what that's going to do, guys, is that's going to give us the indication that if we break this trend line at this point, then it would mean that we're looking to come back up. Now, I would say that we would probably come back up to the 4,300 level, pull back a little bit from the breakout level, which is the 4,090 level, and then we would then look to continue a strong trend. So this, to me, is probably going to flush out the bears in the market, because obviously this is too easy for people. Okay, and I think the institutions know that this is too easy. Every time it hits that point, look how it continues to sell out. Hit the point, continue to sell out. Hit the point, are we going to continue to sell out and create another lower low? Or, because these are all lower highs, or have we hit a double bottom here, and are we turning at this point, and are we looking to break back up at this point? And of course the target would be the top of that descending channel, which would be 4,800. But if anything, we could then see some new all-time highs on this. And to be very honest with you guys, this could take a very, very, very long time. So I mean, it could take 6 months, it could take 18 months. I'm not sure at this point, but at the end of the day, I think in the immediate term, I do believe that the institutions and the larger traders are very well aware of these points, So people have obviously put a whole bunch of sells at this point. So yes, they might be in profit over here at the moment, but we could see a little push down and then an immediate push back up, which would then take out all of those stop losses there of the bear sells, and then that would liquidate quite a lot. That would then create more buying opportunity and the price would push up here. Now, if the S&P 500 is going to do that, then what is the rest going to do? You see, now to me, this has a little bit of a flush out as well in the crypto space. That's okay. It can flush out a little bit more. We were rejected by the ribbon and the purple, the turquoise line here on the total crypto market cap. So the total crypto market cap could just come down a little bit more again to about, I'd say probably about 830 billion. And then the altcoins here, the altcoins are in pretty much a dangerous position right now. If we don't find any support here at this level, we could come back down, hit the bottom level here because that's the trend. There's the trend. Could hit this, and then from this point we could push back up. Okay, all the way back up to the top of this line. Again, that would probably be a good point to sell some of the altcoins before we retest back here, buy back in, and enjoy the ride from there on outwards. So guys, these things are probably going to take a couple months. Okay, now you see here the same for Bitcoin. Look at this candles very specifically here. This is a reversal candle. Look how absolutely perfect these candles have all respected this line. Every single one of these candles, breakout, retest, tried to get up, failed, retesting, okay, on a stronger support level. So there was the first level of support on the ribbon, second level on the purple bottom, the purple box, then the turquoise line. That would mean that we could find a little bit of support at this level, but if we do need to, you know, obviously now because we're back under the ribbon, although we were under the ribbon there for a little bit, we could trade sideways here for a little bit, and we could essentially look at a potential move down and then up in pretty much immediately. So we're testing this downward sloping trend. We're trying to get out of it. We're trying to break it. It's looking healthy. It's looking much better, Bitcoin. If we look on the 4-hour and the daily time frame, however, is unfortunately looking quite bearish. And we were rejected by the ribbon here, and the stochastic is pulling down and the RSI is pulling down. So we could see a little bit further down. We could see 16,000 again for Bitcoin, flushing out any of the bears. Sorry, not the bears, flushing out some of those longs that were over here. But then at this point, once we perhaps pivot at this point, if we do, then we could potentially see that that would be a flush out of all of those shorts that thought that this was going to go further. So very interesting, because as I said to you guys, we're below the 618, which means that we need to kind of catapult to get back up here a little bit. We need some relief within the Bitcoin price, and of course we know that that is going to be very, very, very important. The weekly candle, as you can see right there, is quite terrible. That's a doji candle and it closed in the red. I spoke to you about that on my video. If it closed in the green, we'd likely see an upward trend. If it closed in the red, we'd probably see a further downward trend. So if this means that this is going to be the last flush out of Bitcoin, then so be it. So absolutely be it. Let's just push down. Let's get all the weak hands. Let's get all the weak hands out the market, and then let's make sure that the stronger hands stay in the market. Guys, just remember, when you're selling your Bitcoin at these low, or your coins at these low prices, people like myself and other people and other institutions are buying these coins at these prices. Institutions don't buy at the top. They buy at the bottom and they sell at the top. Okay, so this is very fundamentally correct, and you need to know that from an emotional stance and perspective, that we are trying to get back up, but we aren't just there yet. So just know that there will be, whatever the news is from the Fed on Wednesday and Powell speaking, we will be speaking and seeing that there will be a lot of news and a lot of information that comes out that either says that we're going up or we're going down. Okay, although Bitcoin has, no matter all the FUD for some time, yes, it's up and down, but even with the little FTX breakdown, we're still pretty decent here. Guys, if this starts to pull back up here, that would really give me a lot of confidence in the price of Bitcoin. And if we pull back up to the 25,000 level, that would then mean we would have created a double U pattern. Okay. Or even a shoulder, head, and perhaps another shoulder pattern. Who knows what the future has to bring? But if that all plays out, you can still see that the next shoulder would come kind of somewhere here. So between June and July, we would be creating the shoulder only. So guys, if you're accumulating crypto within this environment, in this space here, okay, you have no idea what you're doing for yourself for your future. Well, if you do and are aware of crypto in the space, you will know exactly what you're doing. But this is gonna make a lot of millionaires and billionaires here in the future in the crypto space. And if you like my content, please remember like, subscribe, notification bell, and check the links down below so that you can get yourself some crypto today. Go check out your health. Make sure that you go and see what it is that you can do with your health today. We help you with weight loss, weight management, mental strength, physical strength, and of course, gut health, mood boosting, and we make sure that you and your family stay healthy, happy, and strong 24/7, 365 forever. Okay, that's what we do. That's what we are here intending to do. So go and check out our links below. Make sure that you get yourself some of our superfoods. If you don't know what to do, please contact me in my email below. You will see it, and or on my channel here, you can see community. Go check out there, and then what you'll do is you'll email me, and you will be able to book a consult with me, whether it's on Zoom or in person, and I will be there to help you lose weight. Blessings to you all. Have a wonderful night.